Oh no! Oh no! Oh, I'm beached, bro! I'm beached as! Hey, bro! Oh, hey, bro! What are you doing, bro? Dude, I'm beached as! Oh, shit! You're beached as! Tell me something I don't know! Bro, you're heaps beached, eh? So beached! Beached as! Do you want a chip, bro? As in a chip? Yeah, chip. A potato chip. This one, chip. A chip. I would know, bro, but I don't eat chips. Well, that's shit. No, I only eat plankton. Plankton? Can't chew, bro. Try chip, bro. No, I will. I can't chew. Just try chip, bro. You don't understand. I might look big, but I can't chew, bro. I only have plankton. That's pretty deceptive. Oh no, it's very misleading. Do you have any plankton? I'll go and check over here. Do you happen to have a bucket or a hose, bro? I need to get wet ASAP. Are you pretty parched? I'm parched as, and I'm beached, bro. You're beached as. Oh no. See if I can find some plankton. Please, have a look around for some plankton. Please. So beached.